Hey there, I just wanted to give you all a little tour of Microsoft Teams. I don't know how much you all have been using it, and make sure you're comfortable navigating how to get to, study hours on Teams and where to find our Teams where I'll post some information. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your little Teams link. You may also access it in another way, but you want to make sure you bring Teams on up. And along the left-hand side here, if you click on Teams, you're going to see all your teams that are listed. This is the Fall 20 Study Hours Monitors team here. You're all added in there, and you can see the little black cat riding a unicorn. And so this is our main Teams page, and this is just for, student staff and me on here. So if I need to let you know about something, I'll post it here. I'll post links to kind of the study hours, attendance sheets, and your time sheets and everything will go in here. So just so you know, there's also a files tab up here, so you can check here if you can't find something, but just so you have an idea of that. The other thing I wanted to show you is how to access the actual study hours times. So if you access your calendar here on Teams, it's a really easy way to get to study hours. You can just go ahead. They're going to start next week. So you can see here, camp study hours, right? And they repeat each week. So if I go to the following week, here's the Sunday study hours, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. If you click on one of these, so let's say you're covering Sunday at noon, you just go ahead and click on there, and you can go ahead and hit join. And this will bring you into the Teams meeting. Right, so you can just join now, and you should be able to see all of the other students and anything else there. So close that, and then one other thing I want to show everybody is in order for you to be able to see everybody on Teams, there's one other thing you can do. You can click on your little face here, and if you go to Settings, and you want to make sure that this button right here, turn on new meeting experience, okay? So this is something you want to do. And once you do that, you actually want to not just close Teams, but you want to right click and quit out of Teams. Once you do that, that will allow the update to take place. And this will allow you, so wait for Teams to load again. Doing that will allow you, when you get into one of the study hours times, let me just go ahead and get one open here. All right, there we go. So I'm going to click on study hours, and I'm going to click join. And you see this will actually open your video in a new window. You can hit join now. And if you have multiple students on study hours, there's a little option, the More Actions button. You click on there. There's only me in here right now, so the option isn't enabled, but you can click on Large Gallery, and that will allow you to see more than 9 people. So if you have 12 students in Teams, that will allow you to see that. So that is something that you want to do. You want to update your Teams so that you can do that. All right, that's everything I wanted you guys to watch, so I hope this helped. We can also go over this in the training, but just so you have a little bit of a sense of how to use this. All right, here you go.